Ahoy, matey! This is day 112 of my Japanese voyage, and for today and the remaining 14 days of the sale, I will be reading Japanese newspaper. Today's article is about Kotoshi no Hitosara, literally number one dish, or the Japanese dishes that get voted as the dishes of the year in 2022. This is the title. The dishes of the year is something called Reto Gourmet. The first kanji from ice and command, it means cold. The second kanji from ice and the east direction, it means frozen. Together they become the vocabulary that means freezing. Gourmet, written in katakana, is a loan word that was rather easy to guess. Maybe gourmet or gourmet is the T silent. Yeah, fine dining. Yeah, let's go with that. So, the dishes of the year is frozen gourmet. The title makes me think that the article would be about a really amazing and elaborate frozen fine dining dishes. This time, reality turned out to be disappointing. Sentence 1 mentioned about the criteria of selection for the dishes of the year. I know every word in sentence 1, so the most important things for me in reading this sentence was to not confuse Sakai, which means society, with Kaisa, which means company. This year, Japan society relation exists. Everyone's story often come out food. So, this year's this is food that has something to do with Japanese society and often come up in everyone's story. Sentence 2 is about the entity that had the authority to decide dishes of the year. The main point in reading this sentence is just to realize Kaisha is the main noun, I would say. So, every year a company that researches information about food chooses dishes of the year, and this year it was decided to be frozen gourmet. Sentence 3 and 4 review the nature of frozen gourmet. This is the part where disappointing reality kick in. It could have helped a little if there were some cool new vocabulary. There wasn't. Okay, so restaurant came out, cooking, frozen. So frozen gourmet is cooking from restaurant that get frozen. Okay. Next, delicious, cooking at home, eat. So, eating the delicious restaurant food at home is possible. Yeah, so frozen gourmet is just really a fancy and roundabout way of saying takeaway food. Yeah, I feel a little robbed here. Sentence 5 feature Jido Han Pai Ki. Jido is automatic. The two kanji literally mean self and move, so it is a very straightforward vocabulary. Hanpai is selling, another straightforward word because both kanji mean to sell, and the final kanji just mean machine. So, automatic selling machine. Yeah, it's a vending machine. So there's various dishes and they are also sold in vending machines for maximum social distancing. Sentence 6 describes further advantage of frozen gourmet. Hozon, the first kanji mean to protect or to guarantee. The second kanji mean existent, guaranteeing existence. They combine to form a vocabulary that mean preservation. That's appropriate. Yeah. so it is easier to preserve and less food is thrown away. Sentence 7. Elaborate a bit more about the social impact of frozen food. It was a long sentence but not too bad when I realized that okane is the main noun of the first clause. So, the money spent on frozen food for a family of 2 or more people compared to before the spread of the coronavirus increased by more than 20% in 2 years. The next is the final sentence. It was a long sentence also, but it's not too bad either once I realized hito is the main noun of the final 2 clauses. So, according to an association of frozen food company, due to the spread of the coronavirus and more people eating at home, more people are buying frozen food. Yeah, so that's the equivalent of saying long cat is long. Anyway, that's the end of the article. For this particular topic, it was pretty easy to find an English source to compare with. I finished by just reading the article out loud and getting some practice. Kotoshi no hito sara wa reito gurume. Kotoshi no hito sara wa Kotoshi no nippon no sakai to Kange ga ate Mina no hanashi ni yoku Dete kita Tabemono desu. Tabemono ni tsuite no jijou o shiraberu kaisha ga maitoshi erande ite. Kotoshi wa reito gurume ni kimarimashita. Reito gurume wa Restaurant nado de dasu ryorio reito shita mono desu. Mise no oishii ryorio ie de taberu koto ga dekimasu. Iroiro na ryori ga atte jido hanpaiki de mo utte imasu. Hozon shiyasu kute shiteru tabemono ga sukunaku narimasu. Futari ijo no kate ga reito sokuhin ni tsukaeta okane wa Shingata coronavirus ga hirogaru mae to kuraberu to 2年で 20% 以上増えました。冷凍食品の会社の団体によると、コロナウイルスが広がって家で食事する人が増えたため、冷凍食品を買う人も増えています。And that concludes my 112th day of Japanese study. If you like what you see, please consider giving a like and subscribe. I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye for now.